Learn how to make one of the wreath kits from Designer DIY. This kit came with 2 rolls of mesh and I cut them into 10-inch pieces. You want to use 3 pieces per grouping, so I have 2 tan with 1 black. And then when I go to the next grouping, I'm going to do 2 black with 1 tan. So I keep them rolled up. I make an X, and then one goes up and down in the middle. And I'll pinch across the center and twist it on, just like using a twist tie. And I'm going to continue doing this all the way around the back bigger ring, and then I'll move up to the top smaller ring and keep doing the same thing until it is all filled in. Once the mesh is all filled in, we're going to attach the sign. This one came with a round sign. It had little holes punched into it, so I attached wire, and I'm going to use the wire to attach the sign onto like the wreath frame. And for this wreath, I am putting the sign kind of off-centered, and here I am just tying it onto the frame. Once you get the sign added in where you want it, the next step is going to be the ribbon. Our kits come with, you get 9 different ribbons. There's 3 groups of 3 ribbons, and you're going to cut them into 12-inch pieces. So here are the 3 groups for this kit. And like I said, it's 12-inch pieces. You're going to do the same type of layout as you did the mesh. And we're just going to twist it on right on top. I hide the pine branches kind of behind the ribbon a little bit, and I go on to the next grouping, and you're just going to alternate as you go around the wreath. So this is the next group of ribbon, pinch it, and I'm just going to twist it right on. Now, since the sign for this kit, I put it on off-centered, I'm covering some of those front pegs, so when I add this ribbon on, I'm going to have some extra ribbon that I'm going to divide up into just groups of 2 and add around that outer side of the sign. With these wreath kits, you usually get enough ribbon to just fill in the top smaller ring of the wreath. Okay, so here's the ribbon that I have remaining, and I'm just going to divide it up into random groups of 2s, and I'm going to start twisting it in the bottom bigger ring on that side where the sign is. That way the ribbon kind of flows all the way around the wreath. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Make sure you order a wreath kit from shopdesignerdiy.com. We also have a ton of awesome tutorials on our YouTube channel, so make sure to like us and follow us and leave me a comment. Here is what the wreath looks like when it's finished. And this wreath is now listed and available on our website.